Imagine, you meet someone interesting. You want to say something sweet, but, oh no, the English words disappear.
Don't worry. Today we'll show you how to flirt in English, polite, fun, and safe ways. No cringe, no confusion.
Stay with us, because by the end, you'll be able to charm someone in English, without sounding like a robot.
Introduction.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Tanu.
And I'm Pankaj. And today, oh ho ho, we have a spicy topic, flirting in English.
But don't panic. We're not teaching pickup lines from the movies. No. We're teaching polite, simple, fun English that makes you sound kind and confident.
Exactly. Whether you're talking to a crush, meeting new people, or just making friendly conversation, these tips will help you.
And remember, flirting doesn't mean being pushy. It's about making someone smile, showing interest, and being respectful.
So, ready? Let's learn to flirt in English like a pro.
Section 1. The power of compliments.
The easiest way to flirt in English is with a compliment. But careful. Not every compliment is good.
Yes. A good compliment is about something specific. For example, I like your smile. You have a nice laugh. That color looks great on you.
But don't say, you are hot like a potato. That's not romantic.
Unless the person really loves potatoes.
Friends, repeat after me. I like your smile.
Now, softer, more playful. I like your smile.
Great. That's a safe, sweet way to flirt. Mini quiz. Which compliment is best? 1. You are looking like a superstar baby. 2. I like your smile. 3. Wow, you are hot hot hot.
The answer is, number 2. Simple and kind always wins.
Section 2. Asking light questions.
Another way to flirt politely is asking fun questions. Don't just say, hi. Ask something small.
For example, do you come here often? Classic, but okay if you're at a cafe or class. What's your favorite food? Are you more of a coffee person or tea person?
The secret, make the question playful. Let's role play.
Okay, Pankaj. You ask me.
Hey Tanu, are you a coffee person or a tea person?
I'm a tea person. Why?
Perfect, then we can have chai together.
See? Simple, friendly, not creepy.
Section 3. Using humor.
Oh yes. Humor is magic. A little joke can make someone remember you.
But careful again. Don't use jokes that are rude or difficult to understand. Use easy, playful jokes.
Example. You dropped something, oh wait, it's just my heart.
Oh, classic. Cheesy but funny.
Or, if someone says they like pizza, you can say, wow, you like pizza. Me too. We are soulmates already.
Humor shows you are relaxed. But always smile, so they know you are joking.
Section 4. Body language and tone.
Friends, words are not enough. Flirting is also about how you say them.
Exactly. Smile. Keep eye contact, but not staring like a statue. Use a warm tone.
Let's show.
I like your smile.
Too scary.
I like your smile.
Ah, much better. Tone is everything.
Section 5. Light teasing.
Another fun way to flirt is gentle teasing. Gentle, not mean.
Example. If someone says they're bad at dancing, you can say, oh really? Then I'll be your teacher.
Or if they like chocolate, you can say, careful, don't eat all of it, you might have to share with me.
Teasing creates playful energy. But always check, if the person is not smiling, stop teasing.
Section 6. Expressing interest politely.
Sometimes flirting is just showing interest. Say something that makes the person feel special.
Examples. I enjoy talking with you. You make me laugh. I'd like to know more about you.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. I enjoy talking with you. You make me laugh.
Section 7. Role-play mini scenes.
Okay, time to practice with mini role plays.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, please sit.
Thank you. By the way, that color looks great on you.
Hey, you're good at pronunciation.
Really? Thanks. You're a great partner to practice with. Wow, you know everyone here. You must be the star.
No, I just like meeting people.
Section 8. What not to do.
Okay, very important. What not to say.
Don't use dirty words. Don't touch without permission. Don't say things that make the other person uncomfortable.
And don't copy movie lines like, "Are you from heaven?" Because you are an angel.
Unless you both enjoy cheesy jokes.
Polite flirting means respect first, romance second.
Section 9. Cultural tip.
One more thing. Flirting style is different in every culture.
Yes. In some countries, people flirt more directly. In others, more softly.
So, if you're not sure, start polite. Compliments, smiles, light jokes.
And watch how the other person reacts. If they smile and answer back, good. If they look uncomfortable, stop.
Friends, today we learned many ways to flirt in English. Compliments, questions, humor, teasing, polite interest.
Remember, the secret is simple English, warm tone, and respect.
Flirting is not about being perfect. It's about being kind, confident, and a little playful.
So go out there, practice with friends, practice in a mirror, and maybe, just maybe, win some hearts.
If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to our channel, because we make English learning fun and real.
And tell us in the comments, which flirting line would you try first?
See you next time. Keep smiling, keep flirting politely, and keep learning English.